Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Alright guys, I've been busy all morning and I have got this wiring all done. Just thanks to my buddy, my fan out there, that sent me that video and that wiring diagram. I got it all figured out. Plus I used my new F14. I don't have my deal on that. It's just kind of a rough wiring. Once I get it installed, I'll trim up these wires. But see, I got these little diodes on there. Little diodes right there. Now these were the medium-sized ones. They had some great big ones. Then they had some smaller than this. And these are a little bit smaller than the Tomcat ones. But they're also more volts too, so I think they'll be just fine. It was the medium-sized ones. Now, I still got this hooked up to the other motor. I haven't hooked it up to that yet. And this is my switch. This is a forward and reverse switch. Okay, that's forward, that's reverse. Now we'll just pop this deal off and put a servo, make a servo turn that on and off. See, if we can use a remote control car speed controller, but the problem will be one way you'll have to flip the switch twice. Because that's reversed. The first time you hit, go backwards on a remote control car, it works the brakes. Second time's reverse. So that's kind of the downfall of using a remote control car speed controller. And so I kind of like this micro switch. This switch. It just takes the electronics out of it, simplifies it. Y'all know me, I need things as simple as I can get it. Okay, now what I need to do is find out which way I need to put these here. So I'm going to plug them in. I need to plug that motor. I got this to where I can just unplug it and plug it into different motors. Okay. Then my on-off goes here. I believe so. And we need the battery. Now just 6 volt. That's all I want to run on the system. That's a 6 volt motor. Okay. Now, is it this one? Yeah. See how that works? Now, I cut too much off of that tube the first time. And I had to put a new tube on it. The only one I had wasn't the exact same size as the one Dad made. So I need to go over to Dad's. I'm going to actually make a bunch of these tubes when I go over there. So that's why that one's wobbling a little bit. Let's see. Bam. That's why it's sounding like it is now. And it didn't sound like that before. It's because that tube's wobbling really bad. But it's the right length now. I know the length to make them. And it works. Okay, now let's go up. Now we go up. And that's the one that needs to go back there. Okay, so the double red goes in the back. Remember that, guys. Double red in the back. Single red in the front. Okay. Now, this is wood on this side. So I can just mount that just like that, I believe. Oh, shoot, it's going to be in the way of that tire. Need to run that down and check. But I know what I want to do. I want to solder in my brass ends first. Cut all these tubes to length, and once they're soldered in, then we drill the hole, and then they're lined up perfect. Instead of drilling and tapping and then soldering them in, you know, then you'll end up with a wobble. It sounds awful now, but as soon as them are straightened out, it'll sound better. Yeah, we can do it. If you run it off that way, there's plenty of room. Okay, double red in the back. Single red in the front. Right there. I'm gonna head to them screws. Hook screws. Now. Alright. A little bit more 1/8 inch. Do that. Okay, let's try it. Whoa. Okay, which was, okay, the motor only plugged into one. That's what I did, okay. Okay. Don't actually know if it stalled. I think it's shut off. I'm stalled out. Now we can just bend this wire around a little bit. Yeah, that shut it off. Yep. See with the tension on it. So we can bend that a little bit more. Now just a freckle, it'll be perfect. Okay, now, we're going to put that other one. I'm thinking I'll put it right there, put a shaft on that hip. Let's turn this one over. Up. Well, it's going to be kind of hard to do by myself here. I think it's got to be just perfect. We don't want to bind the system up. That's what we don't want to do. We want it to go up tight. the switch. I think it's going to work nicely. I believe so. I just got to run that other micro switch. I found some tiny old micro switches at Radio Shack, man. They got some super tiny ones. Seconds. Trixie, give me my water. Alright guys, I'm getting there. And I gotta fix my switch. And I think I know where I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna get it all rigged up and I'll make another video. We'll see.